Okay, good morning. We will continue the next part of the um, chapter, the Indian Executive. We have studied or explained already about the powers of the president, powers of the vice president, and their qualifications and term of the office. And now we will explain about mainly the Prime Minister. He is the real head of the government, isn't it? We have studied all these things and how he will be elected, all this we explained. The party that wins the majority vote or majority seat in Lok Sabha, they will form the government because when the majority of the party will get the majority seats in Lok Sabha, then President will invite them to form a government. Then from them, the President will elect or not elect, choose the Prime Minister among the party which got the majority seats. President will nominate this Prime Minister, and after that they will appoint the Council of Ministers with the approval of the President. But the Prime Minister has the power. And what are the functions? We have told about the majority party in the Lok Sabha chooses the Prime Minister. That party will choose the Prime Minister of India, and the majority party in the state legislative assembly will choose the Chief Minister. The President and the Governor acts as advisors of the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister respectively. They can advise, but they are not, I explained before, not nominating by the President, but on the advice of the President in the center level from the Lok Sabha, the majority seats form the government, and from that they will choose their Prime Minister, the leader, one who is choosing from the majority seats who got. I think I make little bit of confusion for you. From the majority seats got in the Lok Sabha, the party which get the majority seats, from them they will choose the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. Clear? And these are the same situation in state level, because the Chief Minister is chosen by the legislative Chief Minister selects some members of the state legislature to form a Council of Ministers. From the state legislature choose the Chief Minister and the Council of Ministers to help the Chief Minister. And here there are some functions of the Prime Minister in the center level and the Chief Minister in the state level. Let us see. And I think the confusion has clear now. That means the party which gets the majority seats in Lok Sabha will choose the Prime Minister. That we have already explained. The party that wins the majority of seats in a state legislative assembly will choose the chief minister. And the functions of the prime minister and chief minister. The mainly three functions are there. Which are they? The prime minister selects some of the members of the parliament to form a council of ministers. When we say the parliament, these are the ministers from Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Then the chief minister selects some of the members of the state legislature to form the council of ministers in the state. But both formally they are appointed by the president in the center level and governor in the state level. Even though prime minister has the power to select some of the ministers, some of the members from the parliament, some of the members of the parliament to form the council of ministers in the center, and the chief minister select or choose some of the members of the some of the members from the state legislature to form the council of ministers in the state level. But these both should be confirmed by the President of India in the center level, by the governor of the state in the state level. Clear? Okay. Then the second function, the prime minister presides over the meeting of the council of ministers. He is the leader of the executive meeting. The council of ministers, the head of the council of ministers is the prime minister, and he leads and presides over the council of ministers and coordinates the meeting. It is in the center level. But in coming to the state level, who will be? The governor. Will coordinate and preside the meeting of the council of ministers. This is the second point, second function. Then the third function, the president exercises his powers on the advice of the prime minister in the center level and on the advice of the chief minister in the state level. The president exercises his power on the advice of the prime minister in the center level, and the governor exercises his power in the state level on the advice of the chief minister in the state level. Clear? 3 points. Okay. Then first of all, the prime minister chooses or selects the members from whom? From